This presentation aims to give you a more informed knowledge on the benefits and uses of the juniper berry. There are 67 different species of the Juniperus conifer, some of which will come to light throughout this presentation. The most common species is the Juniperus communis, best known for its use in flavouring gin. The Juniperus conifer is very slow growing, only growing around 2 to 3 centimetres a year. It grows worldwide, however it is predominantly found throughout the northern hemisphere. The juniper berry grows on the female plant, taking between 6 to 18 months for the berries to ripen, hence why you'll see green and purple berries growing together. The purple berries are ready for harvesting. Studies have been conducted to test the effectiveness of juniper berry on helping with heart disease, oxidation, bacterial microbial infections, leishmaniasis, diabetes, and insomnia. Here is the composition of juniper berry essential oil. As you can see, the oil is made up of a large variety of different chemical compounds, alpha-pinene being the most abundant. Comprised of 10 carbon atoms and 16 hydrogen atoms per molecule, alpha-pinene has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties and is found in most essential oils, which is why the juniper berry is believed to be so effective against so many different ailments. A study in 2006 claimed its participants reduced their dependence on sleep medication when it's used as a fragrance by up to 89%, with 41% of participants ceasing medication altogether. However, the makeup of the fragrance was only 12% juniper berry extract, so more studies will have to be done. A study in Norway found the amount of antioxidants in the juniper berry easily exceeds most berry fruits based on their ORAC, or oxygen radical absorbance capacity, with 6 different sources tested, giving values between 8,420 and 80,260, while another publication argued that the essential oil acted as a strong antioxidant, blocking the oxidation activity in yeast cells. Leishmaniasis is an infection caused by parasites that is transmitted via the bite of a sandfly. It causes lesions, sores, and wounds, as you can see here, and is endemic to the Middle East and South America. An experiment conducted in 2017 reported that the extract from the species the Juniperus excelsa showed complete cure of the affliction in 82% of their patients alongside cryotherapy, and a further 9% being partially cured, as opposed to only 34% cured with cryotherapy alone, attesting to the juniper berry's antimicrobial properties. Another study in 2017 also reported results of up to 100 times more anti-leishmanial activity than a standard antifungal medicine. In 2008, a group of scientists conducted an experiment on diabetic rats to show when juniper berry was administered orally in an ethanolic extract that blood glucose would drop by 6% after 1 hour and up to 60% after 9 hours. A more recent examination run in vitro and in vivo, which means in a live species and in, say, a lab environment, showed encouraging alpha-glucosidase inhibition or blocking across every extract used in the experiment. Alpha-glucosidase is responsible for breaking down starch and disaccharides into glucose in the small intestine. Scientists have found that the essential oil of the Juniperus communis shows bactericidal activity against both gram-positive and negative species of bacteria and potent fungicidal action against yeast and yeast-like fungi, with one study finding all but the aqueous extracts of the Juniperus communis immensely effective when compared to 2 standard antibiotics that were used as controls. These findings further backed with a more recent experiment showing potential antimicrobial activity against all of the test species that are shown in this figure here. Where to now? It is obvious from the evidence on hand that there is untapped potential for the juniper berry in real-world practices. However, there will need to be more clinical trials to assess and confirm results with strong peer reviews. Showing uses as an antioxidant, benefits towards diabetes, insomnia, leishmaniasis, and with the emergence of superbugs resistant to common antibiotics, there is a growing urgency to explore alternative options such as juniper berry extract, which, with the proper funding and further research, could become more than a promising application in modern medicine. Thank you, and here are the references used to compile this information.